In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a banner for free using Canva. We'll go from picking the right banner size to customizing it with text, elements, and photos, and finally downloading and uploading it so you end with a professional design that looks great wherever you use it. Start by opening Canva, then use the search bar to type banner. You'll see options like YouTube banner, Facebook cover, LinkedIn banner, and web banner. Pick the one that matches where your design will live. Choosing the correct type ensures the dimensions are spot on, so your banner won't get cropped or look stretched on the platform. Now you'll see thousands of professionally designed templates. Browse until something fits your style and message. Look for templates without the crown symbol. Those are free for everyone to use. Feel free to preview a few to see how the layout handles text and images. If you want total creative control, click Create a Blank Banner Type to start from a clean slate. Time to customize. Click on any existing text to edit the words, change fonts, adjust sizes, and pick colors that match your brand or theme. Keep your message short and clear, and use size and weight to create a simple hierarchy. Sync a bold headline with a smaller subheading. For readability, aim for high contrast between text and background. Open the Elements tab to add shapes, lines, icons, and illustrations. These can frame your message, draw the eye to important details, or fill empty space. Maintain consistent spacing and alignment, so the design feels balanced and intentional. Head to the Uploads tab to bring in your own photos, logos, or brand assets. High-resolution files help your banner stay sharp. If you are adding a logo, a transparent PNG often looks clean over photos or colored backgrounds. Experiment with backgrounds and colors. You can use solid colors, subtle patterns, or a photo backdrop. Keep your palette cohesive and make sure text remains legible. If the background is busy, darken it slightly or choose a simpler image. You can also use Canva's built-in library. There are millions of free photos available. Search by keyword and choose images that support your message without overpowering your text. When you are happy with the design, click the Share button in the top right. Then select Download. For web and social media, choose PNG or JPG. PNG is great for crisp graphics, while JPG can keep file sizes smaller. For printed, physical banners, pick PDF print for high-quality output. Finally, upload your finalized, high-resolution design to your chosen platform. Preview it to ensure everything displays correctly. Thanks for watching.